2014 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, power passenger seat, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.